Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this hobby time video I would like to share with you the Deathwatch Start Collecting box set from Games Workshop. If I'm not mistaken, then my first Games Workshop video a few years ago was the Space Marine Start Collecting set. I bought that in 2017, maybe in November. I'm sorry about it, I'm not remembering, but yeah. So then I decided also want to start a Deathwatch force. So probably to this point the best way how to start is buy this collecting starter set, because obviously you will save up on money. Like in my previous video I have let me see, yeah, in one of my previous videos I have shared with you the Deathwatch Kill Team, which is a set of 5 Deathwatch warriors, and this will cost you 22 British pounds or 30 euros directly from Games Workshop. And this beautiful collecting set will cost you 60 British pounds or 80 euros. But yeah, a little bit downside with the hobby right now is that GW did has risen the price a little bit. So this box set when I bought it was at 50 British pounds, and with the discount it was 37.50. So huge savings. I did bought this one from Triple Helix Wargaming, like I do most of my Warhammer purchases, just because they will give you the highest discount, around 25% if I'm not mistaken. So but right now the price at Triple Helix Wargaming is 45 British pounds, so you will save even more, or 51 euros depending on the exchange rate. So in contrast, 60 from GW or 80 euros. So huge savings right there. And inside the box, this is everything you will get. So you will get your Captain Artemis, a Venerable Dreadnought, which is a older sprue of course, but yeah, and you will get a Deathwatch Kill Team. So that is 10 warriors. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 warriors plus the captain. Okay, so if you're interested, here are some painting guides, or what paints you will need to build these units, so you can prepare yourself and buy them. If you're buying these miniatures online, then you would like to know these before you make your purchase, just to buy also the colors. Yes, and here is the setup. Yeah, here's the setup. So 10 Deathwatch veterans, 1 Venerable Dreadnought, and Captain Artemis. There was also a Kill Team Cassius on the GW side, but probably it's not available anymore, I don't know. But that Kill Team was included in the Deathwatch game, and maybe in the future I will get one of these box sets, but they are really hard to acquire and cost lots of money. But box sets are the best way how to start correcting, because they will give you the most miniature, most plastic for your money, of course. Okay, so let's start. On the separate sprue, I hope you can see it, from 2016, is this is Captain Artemis. Then you have your Deathwatch upgrade sprue. Basically you will get a few pauldrons for your Marines and Terminators, one breastplate, one gladius, one helmet, and a few icons for your vehicles, or 2 helmets. 2 helmets, yeah. And then the sprue. So this sprue is the Venerable Dreadnought. So this is an older sprue from, let's see, you got 2009. So by now 10 years. Oh my. And here are the units. So basically, if I'm not mistaken, you will get 2 times the Deathwatch kill team. Here's the Xenophase sword. Yeah, they are duplicates. They are the same. So 2 times the kill team. So right here you have huge savings, because 1650 to 45, yeah. And of course all your bases. This is for the Captain. This is for the Dreadnought. You have some scenery base, but you can use it or you can use it not. And all your manuals. So just quickly scroll through. This is the Captain Artemis. All his stat lines are probably not accurate anymore. And here are the veterans. So they included one more page here with this logo. Different languages, of course, and also a rendering of paint in miniatures, but yeah, no color. They didn't bother with these old manuals to have it in color, so probably save up money. These were printed in 2017, so definitely they upgraded the manual, but not the color. And here are the options for your Venerable Dreadnought. So you can use your heavy plasma cannon, twinless cannon, or assault cannon. Different kinds of sarcophagus front pieces, and the plates, armor plates. And basically you just paint one arm silver. There you have your information about the weapons, but yeah, these are outdated by now. And here is the upgrade sprue. So information for this one. So you have your Terminator, shoulder pauldron, just your standard pauldron for your Space Marine, and iconography for your vehicles. These come in colors, so now you can see, so you can change out the helmet on your gunner, and you can put these 2 icons, because you have 2 large icon, 1 small icon. If you have your captain from your start collecting Space Marines, then you can upgrade him with this sprue. You can give him his Terminator, Pauldron, and 1 icon. Yeah. Or you can build a captain or sergeant. Yeah. Okay. So this was the start collecting Deathwatch. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. Remember, go and search for the best price if you are getting started with the hobby. Consider all you will be needing during your journey. So it is not only about the miniatures, but you also need paints, brushes, all different sorts of basing materials. Of course, you can just paint them with 1 color, but yeah, it will look much better. Then you also need some tools for cleaning up the plastic. You will need some drilling equipment to drill the. Some of them should have drilled the barrels, but most of them do not have drill barrels, so you have to drill barrels so they look better, like on the picture here. You see here the barrels are drilled. They will not come in the box. So keep in mind that everything will add up, and it can cost a really large amount of money if you want to do the hobby right, or you would like to enjoy it to the maximum potential. Okay, so save up everywhere you can, buy your stuff from authorized retailers who will give you the best possible discount. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Thumbs up, of course. To all of you, thanks for your continuous support. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives, gear, flashlights, books oriented, but also hobby stuff. So yeah, check out my playlist if you want. If you're not, then no. And have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.